From one senseless shooting to another, I'm following a major blow for families filing suit in federal court, hoping to hold Oxford Public Schools accountable. This in the wake of the deadly mass shooting in November 2021 that led to the deaths of 4 students and others injured. A judge moving to dismiss federal claims while we've already seen the shooter sentenced to life without parole in December 2023. The parents of the shooter sentenced to 10 to 15 years in prison last April for involuntary manslaughter. And today, families tell me they are going even further to push back on this federal court ruling.
I wish that we could just move on and look at a decision that's made by the court and say, oh, well, we tried, but this is our lives. Our lives are forever changed. 4 people are dead. 4 families are devastated. Countless more people have been injured physically and mentally. We don't get to move on.
Expressing her disappointment in the recent decision by a federal appeals court judge to dismiss civil lawsuits following the Oxford High School mass shooting, parent Linda Watson and other families are not holding back. Linda's son was among those who survived being shot in November 2021. The same tragic day, a mass shooter killed students Justin Schilling, Hannah St. Juliana, Tate Meir, and Madison Baldwin.
We were really hoping that we could make some gains in that area to prevent something like this from happening again.
Do you see this as the school district on some level getting a pass?
No, the school is the only entity that's involved here that hasn't been really looked at.
Father Craig Schilling, who lost his son, also responding to this court ruling obtained by 7 News Detroit. In part of the filing, federal judge Kelly Stevens, writing school counselors, quote, displayed the opposite of callous indifference toward the risk they perceived. The filing adding their action of summoning the shooter's parents and insisting on counseling within 48 hours or intending to call CPS, quote, excludes a finding that it was conscience shocking, essentially saying staff did not abuse authority to infringe on students' rights. That's despite the fact threatening drawings and online searches found to have been made by the shooter did not prompt counselors to search his backpack.
It's definitely a blow. It takes a lot out of you. We're working really hard trying to get this done, and we still haven't even had the investigation. We haven't even dove into the school. We haven't really looked at all the aspects of what's going on.
Appeals are underway involving renewed filings in the state courts. There, the defense also maintains school staff did nothing wrong and, in fact, took steps to mitigate risk rather than increase it. Families I've talked to for years continuing to push back while both the shooter and his parents remain in prison.
We got to keep the pressure on the AG. We have to make sure that we get this investigation done. I feel like the fact that it was dismissed was because they don't have all the information.
This case should be the case that is really in the mind of every school, every administration, every parent when you think about school safety.
Today, I also reached out to the school district for a response, but they declined, and instead, they told me that I should refer to the court ruling as it speaks for itself. Glenda.
So now, as far as court cases go, what can the family do? Where do they go from here?
Yeah, I asked that question, and they said in the case of the state courts and in the case of the federal courts, they are prepared and willing to go all the way to the Supreme Court to try and push this further along.
Yeah, wanting to see that justice that they feel is necessary.
Yes.
All right.
Exactly.
Thank you, partner.
Yeah.